Cool.
Cool.
Hello, hello. Hey, so what's your name?
Norton Mitchell.
Norton Mitchell. Okay, so
Yeah.
tell me, do you think AI is going to kill us all or take our jobs? You worried about that?
I don't think it's going to kill us all,
Okay.
but it's definitely on the verge of. It's shifting gear, I think. I think what it's going to do is have us think differently,
Got it.
and we're going to have AI do certain things, and then we'll do the other stuff.
And what do you do?
Yeah. So I manage buildings.
Cool. Okay, so are you worried about your job security or not?
No.
Okay, awesome. I like the
Not.
confidence.
Right
Another
on.
question. Thoughts on AI girlfriend, AI boyfriend, AI companion? Thought on that?
No.
No. Would you judge people that do?
No.
No.
I really don't care.
Do you have kids?
I do.
What if your kids dated an AI? What'd you think?
I would have a conversation with them
All
to
right.
say, you really should find a human being, and it's because I think AI is actually quite limited in terms of its creativity, and so I think you need another real person.
Got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, the human to human soulful connection.
I think so.
Got it. Okay. Another question. If you had one thing to say to these tech billionaires like Sam Altman, Mark Zuckerberg, what would you say? These people building AI and it's transforming society at a rapid rate.
I really don't think it's up to them. I think it's up to other people. I think the majority of folks who are not tech billionaires, or not just billionaires or millionaires,
That's the majority of people.
we really need to take on management of our own lives and be thoughtful about where we're putting our time and spending our money.
Got it.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's my
Cool.
thought.
Last question.
Go for
Give me one word to describe how you feel about AI.
Fine.
Fine. Yo,
Yeah.
I love it. Positive
Right
view
on.
of the future.
Cool.
Let's go.
All right, take
Great.
care now.
Yeah.